The risk of arrest just got higher for every motorist. Authorities in Harare are stepping up traffic enforcement ahead of the 44th SADC summit. The message is clear: obey the road rules or face serious consequences. Motorists who flout these regulations could end up behind bars. Nearly half of the city's 9,000 unregistered commuter omnibuses are at risk of being impounded. A joint operation by the police and city council is targeting illegal pickup points. This isn't just a temporary measure for the summit. It is said that even after the summit, these measures will still be in place as part of a broader urban renewal effort. These new measures aim to improve traffic flow and enhance safety for everyone on the road. So if you're driving in Harare, make sure your paperwork is in order and follow the rules. Remember, it's not just about avoiding jail time, it's about making our city safer and more efficient for all. But do you really think these measures will be in place after the SADC summit? Comment down below your thoughts. Stay informed, stay compliant, and drive safely.